Oh, cute diba? Tingnan niyo yung aura niya, guys.
Happy birthday.
Ags yan.
May bat and body.
O bango. Isipin mo, si Miss Pam makabunot or si Tito Rod. Pero yung
Kandila.
scent ko, kandila daw.
Kaso nga lang, baka nag-bat and body na sila kahapon.
I think so. Ano, babe?
Guys, nakalagay na naman yung lens na. Mamaya, pag na-realize na, wala na naman yan. Tignan mo.
Relax ka lang kasi.
Kaya,
Naghanap kami ng pang exchange gift. Mga 30 bucks. Di namin alam kung anong pang-gift namin. Uy, ingay mo.
sa Crocs.
Crocs na lang kaya?
Oh, tignan mo, pasukin mo.
Ha?
Something, ano yan?
Ano?
Something trend. Walang trend na dito, babe.
Ayan o, 35. Ang cute nito. Babe, ito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. May fluff. Ay, may fluff. May fleece.
Kaso pag pumasok dito, ang ano niya.
Babe, hindi.
Ay, meron bang pantakip? Ay,
Judgmental ka. Ang cute nung Jibbitz, oh. Yeah. Sobrang daming Jibbitz.
may batong kaya yan.
Ang daming Jibbitz, oh. Cute.
Pwede ko yung wala, dali. Kaya pa.
Ang sabag dun eh. Nalaman lang bumunta dahil.
Of course, ma'am.
Kay Jack man nabili siya pang exchange gift.
Meron siya, hindi pa yung 13 mo.
Yung 30.
11. Yan ba? Akala yung price range yun. Kapag walang babe.
Babe.
Oh guys, kilala nyo yan. Yung birthday girl na may toyo. Problemado sa 30. Balutin mo ng kahoy, lagay mo yung 30 doon. Tapos yung problema mo. Alarm clock.
Alam mo, ang galing mo mag-isip.
Ayun o. Kasi pang umaga, magagamit nila yan.
Dito ko na lang.
Ano pa ba? Ano pa yung pwede? Pang-clip ba yan?
Ano? Walmart lang tayo pupunta.
Yung mga heater. Meron. Kasi ayun, magagamit talaga nila. Happy birthday.
Thank you, babe.
Tara, huwag tayo dito. Ikot na tayo.
Dito, ano meron dyan? Manong meron dito? Ikaw na nga, babe.
Tara, baday dito. Gagalawin. Ito na naman kami guys. Papabukod. Tingnan mo nga yung Lacoste.
Lacoste?
Tara, tingin dun tayo. Lagay natin sa MC.
Ano, shoes? Hello? Eh, meron silang hoodie, babe. May hoodie sila.
Hoodie?
Yeah. Ay! Wait, ba? Ha?
Yan. Parang gamitin ako ng lakba ng pambadi. Dala na.
Ayaw mo yan?
Ayaw ko yung parang...
Ito. May ano ba? Ayun o. Parang nakita ko suot mo to. Or ito.
Yung susuot ko
This Christmas?
Christmas. Ano kaya ito?
Yung blue. Check mo daw yung blue.
Ganda nga galing para pang ano eh.
Ang Christmas. Nga. Lakas maka... Tito ka naman, di ba? Tito Nani.
Tara.
Hmm? So, no, I'm just looking around. Thank you.
Tara. Yan ang mga
Sure ka na? Okay.
Oo, kasi para next.
Let's go. Sobrang cute ng store, color pink. Ang cute. Dito pala mayroong Centella eh. Nahanap ni Polly last time. Ito magugustuhan ni Jared tong mga bag. Ay, ang cute. Yung hair clip. So ngayon guys, punta kami sa Dakeg.
Adversary kasi namin. So, medyo hectic ang schedule today. This is the
Doon ako kukuha ng ano? SB?
Saan tayo, babe?
Diyan lang tayo malapit nag-park. Ano?
Malalaman mo kung gaano kalupit yung pila. Basic lang yan.
Basic lang.
Ito nga.
Doon nata tayo nag-park. Ay, dito. Tuwid na tayo.
Saan nga ba yun?
Dito. Dito, babe. Dito. Kunin ko na yung susi ko.
Talaga.
Leg!
Sabi ko nga, mas tumatawa lang ako.
Thank you. So, punta na. Uy! Set na natin yung maps. Phone mo na? O phone
Siya
ko?
yung panghirap dito sa...
Oh, set mo dito.
Ko alam kung anong place yun.
Dakip. Ayan, dakip. Itong 21 minutes. 21 minutes. Naalala mo nung ano tayo, Chesney yun? Last time, yung Vietnamese resto. 22 minutes pa pala yun. So, akala ko ang lapit lang, dun lang. So guys, on the way na kami sa Takik. It'll take 14 minutes. Medyo malapit-lapit pa. Yun lang, update ako later.
That's right. Oh.
Gusto mo mag-steak ka? Magme-main ako. Hi!
I'm Natasha. I'll be your server tonight.
Okay.
Are you celebrating anything or just having dinner?
Actually, it's your first time here?
First time here.
Yes.
Oh, okay, welcome to the K.
Thank you.
Well, I will let you know right off the bat, our prime rib is our specialty at the K. So it's marinated in our keg spices for 24 hours, and then we got some really good option. I'll let you know the difference between these items here and the classic. The classic, it's going to be the same thing, but in addition, you're going to get salad and sauteed mushrooms.
Oh!
You can do a 14 or 18.
Oh, just 10.
Just 10 ounce.
10 enough.
And do you want it medium rare?
Medium well.
Medium well?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
So
thought you like medium well.
you only like
You
a little
want-
pink to it.
Yeah, because you want to share, right?
Oh, okay.
She doesn't like...
Oh, that's nice of you. Do you want the garlic mashed with that?
What do you like?
Sorry, what are
What's
the
the
options?
So you get one of our accompaniments at the bottom.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry.
That's okay.
I'll get the mixed vegetables.
Yeah. Alright, and then for yourself?
I'll get the top sirloin.
Yeah,
Just this 6
6 ounce. How do you like your steak done?
Medium well.
Medium well.
Yeah.
No worries. And then what would you like for your side?
What did you get?
He got vegetables.
What's the
See-
second top option?
Have you ever tried a twice baked potato?
The which one?
Twice baked. If you've never tried one, that one was good. So what we do is we take the potato out of the shell and then we load it up. So bacon bits, sour cream, chives, butter, mix it all together. Pipe it back in the shell and then we bake it. So it's got like a nice crust to it.
Alright, so okay, I'll get
You wanna
this.
try that one out?
That sounds interesting.
Yeah. I've never tried it. It's worth trying out.
Yes.
And did you want to go for a salad as well with yours?
I'll get a salad.
Yeah, Caesar salad as well?
Yes.
Okay, sure. Amazing.
That's it.
That's it? Okay, I'll make sure everything's good for you.
Thank
Next
you.
time. No
Thank
problem.
you so much.
Are you having any wine?
No,
No,
we're both
okay.
driving.
Okay, fair enough. No problem.
Cheers. This one's just water. Thank you. Caesar salad. Tapos ito yung bread. Parang ciabatta to.
Ciabatta bread.
Wow.
That's pretty
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
It's on the way sector.
Yeah.
Babe, what's your food? Mashed potato?
Mashed potato, sauteed
Mushrooms.
mushroom,
Then your medium well.
with the sirloin, something.
Something.
Okay.
And this one's mine.
Let's go. Happy anniversary, babe.
Happy anniversary, babe. Love you too. Kain na kami, guys. Sarap, no? Sorry, guys. How'd you like the food? Not bad.
Very good.
So ngayon, di kami magkatabi. Kasi fine dining to, nasa Dakay kami, guys. Ayaw pa naman niyang hindi kami magkatabi.
Yung sinabi, wasabi pala itong isa.
Masabi yan? Hindi ko din alam, no? Ito. Baka pag baka caramelized something yan.
Sabi mo ano, sa mga
Uy,
English.
binigyan nila ako ng free dessert because it's my birthday today. Here only at the keg.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, the keg. Binigyan nila ako ng slice of cake for my birthday. Because I told them it's my birthday today. I didn't show them anything that proves that it's my day today. But instead, binigyan lang nila ako ng slice of cake. Yun.
Putol din to eh.
Hindi, totoo. I can show them.
Sarap lang. Birthday niya talaga.
Thank you.
Eh, dapat kumaroon ka ng isang lahat.
Eh. Mas?
Wash mo.
Ice cream si babe. Oh my God. May kalasa siyang ano?
Tinaan ko yung ice cream eh.
Oh my God, mocha cake. Guys, so,
Mukha ba to?
false alarm. Hindi siya cake. It's ice cream. A slice of ice cream. Kind of cake.
Mukha ba yan?
Yeah. Oh.
Patay, may coffee yan. Babaldog ako dun. Kaya ako dyan.
Ang sarap
Hindi mo pala siya pwede kita yung coffee, yung matutunan.
Kaya nga.
Ha? Eh, gusto mo na yan.
Babe, alam ko na yung kalasa niya sa Pinas.
Ano yan? Mango
No?
Bravo.
Alam mo yung chewy toffee? Ganito yung lasa. Ang sarap. Top niya guys. Sobra.
That there for you, okay? It's
It
good.
was
Like
really good.
I know. It's our signature dessert.
What you
It's
call
like a
this
mocha,
one?
really minor pie.
Told you it's mocha.
Yeah. Glad you like it. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Where's the washroom?
Just down the hallway there.
Okay.
Towards the host stand on your right.
Yeah, thank you.
Lamig guys. Oops, wait, phone ko.
Pwede ba sa inyo ng ano?
Ano po?
Makalabas lang tayo sa menu.
Opo, of course.
Pati nang...
Sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa Dakeg.
Ay... Pinakamakala guys. Busog.
Kaya pa babe?
Kahit na. Basta si Paki.
We're going home na. Alis na kami ng parking. Where's your phone? Oh, it's here.
Saan tayo pang yung ba?
Ito po. Magre-reroute naman yan.
Ang dami na.